So if you share your screen now,
Okay.
make the fan rotate now. Just make it rotate now.
Yeah, I can not share. Start sharing screen.
Maybe you, this is your stuff that now last class. So let me quickly ask you one or two questions. All right. I don't say you go sabi the answer, but then make I just ask you. So now the grade inside that bracket,
You say?
that grade we did it. Waiting there for.
Now, carry this my screen while you share. So
The correct screen is show now.
yeah, okay. You said the grade. Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah, this grade. That which of this one?
Where your course are they?
Okay, this grade. So we define our own function as calculate grade. Then we dey assign this grade to this calculator. Calculate grade.
Hmm. You get one name we call another day. Anything with
Okay.
this bracket.
You say na you don't want to wait call am. I dey come on. Just hold the mic so that you remember. You say need to read inside this brackets. Oh, we do one. You say if you dey inside the that square root bracket, it will be this. But
So the
this
name
one,
we called it was parameters.
parameters.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
parameters.
function receive parameters.
Yes, parameters.
Yeah. So now, you know that when you are creating a function, there's a keyword that must always be there. And what's the keyword?
When I'm creating parameters,
When you are creating a function, you get one keyword you
okay,
guys listed there.
okay. That's when we are creating this function now, like this calculate grade.
Yes.
You say there's a keyword which is def, which is define.
Exactly. Yes. So you are defining the function. Alright, that
Yes.
works. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to say something about function that it only works whenever you call it. If you don't call it, it will not work. You remember that, right?
Yes. That is like this. After defining it, we have to call like this grid, like we have assigned to this
In line
calculator.
12, right?
Yes, in this line 12, like
So
grade is equal to.
line 10, what does line 10 do? If you let me see, you still remember.
Okay, line 10 mean that why all this is true. I mean, why this one is true, you should give us. Oh,
No.
I don't miss out. I know that this is a loop, while loop, right? Then you said this. Okay, you said this line 12. Sorry, or 10.
So I
Line
said
10,
something
right?
about okay.
No,
Remember,
wait, wait,
okay,
wait, 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 wait. Line. You said line 10.
yes, line 10.
Okay, line 10 is um why the statement is true. You should continue to loop.
So and what statement so now the thing is why true
Yes,
we continue to be true.
yes, continue
So
to
you
be
get
true.
so as long as it is still true, this
Yes,
code under it should continue to run. Until
yes,
when true is not true, that's when it will stop. And you know true will always be true. You
yes,
get what I'm saying?
yes,
You get
yes,
so now why true is one trick we use to allow something to is a loop that runs for infinity.
for infinity.
It does
Why
not stop.
why it remain true?
While true, you continue to run for infinity. It will not stop
Okay.
until when you do what? How will you stop it? There are two
Until you
ways.
break.
How?
Until you break,
Or
or um, wait to either you break or you use. Is it? Is it? Exit.
how will you exit it?
Uh, I think by typing exit or escape key or something. I don't know.
No, you just in your code base, you just press Ctrl C.
Control C.
In the terminal where it is running.
Yeah. Okay. Or we type exit.
No, exit work, no, you do Ctrl C.
Okay.
So today, I always work on another project. So I'm coming. So I'm coming. I try to prepare the project we want to work on. Give me a minute.
What do you say append they do? You hear me?
start, yeah. Okay, so
Huh?
yeah, so the for your waiting we wan work on today na like contact manager. We don work on something similar before, right?
You say
Na contact manager we wan work on. We don work on something similar before already.
contact contact manager.
Yeah, so basically you can stop. Wetin be that? Stand, keep going, going. Wait, I come. Okay, so exactly sharp, 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 sharp. So now, what's the case you use for the naming?
You said
Wetin be the case wey you use for the naming? We don talk about casing, right?
yes.
So what's the case you use for the naming of the file?
Um, snake.
Snake sharp. So yeah, okay. Alright, so now what we want to do now is we are basically like want to build a system that allows someone to like add a contact, view a contact, search for contact, delete contact. Do you get? And we
Yes.
also like save the contact inside a file.
Okay.
But then we'll take it step by step. We might not save the contact too.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll just take it step by step.
So now basically so now first off I'm going to have I'm going to have if you remember we talked about
Ah,
the right?
your voice is break.
The breakdown now.
Your voice is break. It's still the break once more. Wait, do you hear me clear?
Yeah, basically, and
Yeah, you the hear me clear, but your own voice is break. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay. That's it. Don't clear now.
okay. So what we want to do is we want to like store a list of contacts. Did you get? So now after today, we'll be moving into actually. So all this one that I'm doing is basically inside the terminal. So actually, we worked on something similar to this. So we might not. So we would after today, we'll be moving into that's tomorrow. We're moving into something called the web, like web. We work on web like services. So what we're doing, we'll be able to like okay deploy it online, something like that. So that's what we're moving on to tomorrow. So today, what we just want to do is wrap up this terminal part of things and move on to real life projects tomorrow. So
Okay.
yeah, so today is just like the ending of anything terminal that we're working on. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I believe you should understand some basic concept by now, like list. So basically, list is just like a collection of item, right?
Items. Yes.
So now we want to store contact. So contact is like a collection of contacts or people numbers, something like that. Yeah, you get.
Okay. Just like names of maybe fruits or beverages, just like that.
Yeah. So but this time around, so now getting the names of contacts, the list of contacts, I'm not just getting their list, but also getting them inside something called a dictionary. You've seen a dictionary, right?
Yes. I think you talked about dictionary. You said we'll work on dictionary after function. So
Okay.
maybe
All right. So yeah, let's just get started. So what I want you to do now is comment. So first off, I want us to create the so I want to create a list with the variable of create a variable called contacts. You know it's plural, that is a collection of contacts and it should be a list. So for now, just put an empty list there. Do you understand what I was saying to you?
say it again.
Create a variable contacts
Okay.
like an S and it should store an empty list.
Okay. Contacts.
An empty list. I say empty list too.
Okay. Empty list.
Eh. No, you don't do them now. Wait you want to do before.
Yes. I
Now be
do.
this. So
Yes.
now all our contact go dey inside this rectangular bracket, right? You get.
Yes.
You sure you understand?
Yes. I do understand.
Alright. So now I want you to create I want to show you how the dictionary looks like. So let me open my VS Code on my own and let me create a new file. Let me do contact manager. I'll share my own screen so you quickly look at my own screen.
Okay.
Can you see this? Hello.
Yes.
Did I stop sharing? Okay. So now what I'm saying is this is what you did, right? You created a list of contacts. So now inside this list of contacts, we'll be having contacts like we could have contact one, contact two, like that. But then they cannot just be like this, right? So we're going to store them inside a dictionary. So this is how a dictionary look like. So a dictionary, we've talked about this in the past. A dictionary
Yeah.
stores stuff in key value, the key and the value. Do you remember?
Yes.
So this
Okay.
is how a dictionary is with curly brackets. See the kind of bracket. While a list
Okay.
is in square brackets. Please take note of the difference.
Okay. So dictionary. Let me put this one down. So
Dictionary is in curly bracket, while list is in square bracket. So the difference between the two of them is a dictionary stores stuff in key value, while list just gets a collection of items. That's how it is. Do you understand?
yes.
So now each inside this contact list, that is, don't forget, list is a collection of items. That means we'll be
Items.
having individual contacts, one contact, contact one, two, three, like that, like that. Do you get?
Yes. Yes.
and this is how each contact will look like. That is a dictionary of contacts. That is
Okay.
a contact we have the name, the phone, and the email. So that's contact. That's one contact. So another contact we have another name, phone, email, like that, like that, like that. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes.
So now to now add each contact that a user will, like, it's like a contact manager, right? So you can add new contact. So to
Yes.
add new contact, there's a function you can use called the append function. So what this
Yes.
append function does is it adds wherever you put inside here to this list. So you see them in action very soon. Do you get? I just want to explain that to you. Do you understand? Are you there?
Okay. So append it has new items to a collection of lists.
Exactly. That's what append does.
Okay.
So yeah, let me stop sharing down. So let's continue what we're doing. So yeah, what I want you to do now is I want you to create a function that it should the function you call the function add contacts. Are you there?
Okay. I'll create a function called add contacts.
Yes.
Okay. So um
So what the function should do is the function should receive user inputs.
okay. Okay. Um
So call it add contacts and
I
so
can
this time around e no go get parameter so the bracket go dey empty.
okay.
And why you put space I don tell you something about naming stuff.
So the parameters will be empty.
Yes. Oh, but the bracket go dey there now.
Uh-huh.
The
So
bracket go dey there now.
so parameter.
Yeah, put that column there. Yeah, enter.
So why they give me this red this thing for under here?
Because you never write anything there, you no complete the say function anytime you create a function gats do something. If you no do anything na error.
Okay. So like this. Okay.
So but then wetin me I wan make you do am say make you receive user input of name, email, phone number, and make e just make you receive user input of name, phone. Yeah, first start with name, receive and store it inside the name variable. Can you do it?
So we say um name
Uh-huh.
equal to um
So you see an input and ask the user like what's the name. No, no. Where is the input function? You do the same thing for phone and email.
what it come input function is to receive is input. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know then I do this one. Okay. Um,
I'll do the same thing for phone and email.
I want to see something. I want to buy one thing. Okay. Oh, this thing.
So now we don't receive their input, right? So what's left is for us to store it inside the like the list, right?
You want to
You hear me?
store it into the contact list.
But then the issue is we cannot just store it like that. We guys combine the three inputs and store it. So to combine them, I will combine them as dictionary. So you see how a dictionary looks like. I showed you how it looks like. So create a
Yes.
contact variable.
Okay.
So you want to combine the three of them inside one dictionary. So you see equals to yeah, open that curly bracket. Yeah, enter. Let's space the weather. Yeah, type do put name inside name. Yeah, see come outside the quote. You know say this one na the key, so na the value. Wetin go be the value? Yeah, wherever no no e no go be double quote again because na the variable go be the value. Whenever you enter inside the variable go be the value. You get so wetin be the name of the variable?
Okay. Name of the variable.
Uh,
Uh,
na still
now
name
you
now.
now you just give okay.
Na name because na the variable wey user wey na wetin user enter na im you go assign as the value wey you go come store for the contact list abi no so next line phone just phone just phone alone no yeah so you what's the variable you are assigning to phone
Um, it's going to be number now. So we'll
but
just put
wetin you write for there shey na number irọ́ no na the variable wey
okay.
you assign where user
Phone.
go if user enter their input now
Okay.
where you dey put am
You say?
if user enter their phone number where you dey store am inside the phone number variable now
Yeah, inside the phone number variable.
na the phone number variable go dey there because now when the user enter all the three input you go come combine the three input as one dictionary come store am inside the list. Na wetin you dey do be that. You do the same thing for email. So you are done with that one, right?
Yes.
So what did you just do from line 6 to 10? We just created the dictionary. So now we want to store this dictionary we created inside our contact list variable. So what function did I say you use?
So we now append contact.
So now type contact list dot append. So the where you want to put it dot append. Then what do you want to append inside bracket? Yeah, now. Yeah, enter now. You spell am wrong o. Yeah.
Correct?
Okay, yeah, sharp. So now so we've already created a function that stores contact. So I need a feedback. After storing the contact, you guys let me know say okay, I don save am. So wetin you go do? If you print something, just print something. No, just print contact save like inside the like e no go be variable now.
True.
All these things you go see how we take dey apply them for real life. No be wetin you go dey do. You no go dey do add contact for real life. So basically we go just add contacts and remove contact. Na wetin we go do real life. That's just see. Yeah. So yeah, so now this is only a function, right? And don't forget a function will not work if you did not call it. Do you remember?
Yes.
So now what I want you to do something. I want you to do a while true, a while true. Do you get inside the while true? You should do that. Okay, if their choice is one, they should add contact. Can you do something like that?
Why true?
That while true, why is the while true? So it runs infinitely, right? Can you hear me? Uppercase true now. Uppercase T.
Why true?
So I want you to print maybe like one, so add contact, two, remove contact, like that. So now you can say if choice, that is you are receiving a choice input from the user. So if their choice is one, we will show them add contact function. Can you do something like that?
I
Hmm?
understand what you want to do, but I dey think of how.
Yeah,
Okay.
print. Yeah, do print first. First do print. So you go fit tell them wetin they wan choose. If you wan do if, they no go say wetin they wan choose now. Yeah, print one, add contact.
print one.
Mm. One, yeah, put add contact. One, add contact. Like same put space. No, now inside that put add contact. And why you no put space for them? Yeah. So now, no user no dey enter anything for there now. So now print you dey print. Yeah. So now, come receive choice. That is, user go choose. Okay, na my choice be this. Na one, na two, na three, na four.
Okay.
No be print o, na input o. To receive so you go know their choice.
Include
You no go
one.
stand for variable.
No, I don't understand this one all this. So this very
Because
particular one, I not to understand
wetin
this
we
one
wan
now.
do now, we wan do something so tey we've only created a function, right?
Yes.
And the function will not work if you did not call it, yes or no?
Yes.
And have you called it?
No.
So now we want to do something that in the terminal the user will see option one add contact, option two delete contact. And I want to do it in a way that whenever the user choose option one, it will call the function add contact instead of us typing it under again. Do you understand?
Okay, let's just do it. Then you explain to me. Maybe I will understand.
Yeah, do choice.
This room is too hot. Let me
Yeah,
off
do
it.
choice variable.
Ah, Jesus. This somebody not go roast.
Yeah, yeah, type choice now.
Under print or under Y?
Under print. Yeah, equals to input. Yeah, now, and if I choose select or just give it a word, just put some word in.
What I want to choose from
Choose
choose
an
or
option. Just choose an option. Something like that. You go dey double quote o. So okay, after they don choose the option, come do if choice choice is equals to no be there go dey now. What did I tell you about input? That everything coming out of an input is a what?
that everything do what?
Coming out of an input is a what?
Everything coming out of an input like here.
What's the data type? What's the data type of anything coming from an input? I said they are all string.
That string here.
Now if choice is equals to a string one, that is double quote then one. Yeah, put the colon. Yeah, enter. No, e go dey under the if like that. Yeah, enter. Why you dey carry am go back? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, call that function add contact.
Add contacts.
Yes, just type. Yeah, open your bracket and close it. Why you put space? Comot the space. Yeah, save am. But with this guy, why you use only one equals to for there? What did I tell you about one equals to? One equals to is just for assigning values to variable. Yeah, save and run am. You go see am now. 916. Let me see your 916. Run it again.
He said variable choice is a string.
Unable. Run it again, run it again. I pick another thing. One. You don't see am now.
Okay, what a true.
Never send assignment to yourself.
Okay, now the explanation will come up. So explain this please. I don't want to understand that.
Let's let's start from there. I don't explain that line 14 over and over again for you.
Okay. Okay,
I
let's
don't know
start.
what's supposed to explain that line
This
14 again.
this is the contact list,
Yes.
which
So
is
basically a collection of contacts, right?
okay.
Now, line two.
Mhm.
Line two is a function, right?
Yeah, this one define the add
Basically, what the function
contact.
does is add contact. So anytime we call it, anywhere we call it, all it's going to do is going to add contact. Do you understand?
Okay.
You don't understand?
Mhm.
Hmm?
Yeah,
You don't understand that?
yeah. Guys, they define our own function.
To add contact. So anywhere we call our function add contact, anything, the only thing that it will do is going to add contact. It's just like print. If you call print anywhere, anything it does is going to output anything you say it should do. If you call input anywhere, the only thing to do is going to receive input. Do you understand?
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I see they try to really understand. I don't do this thing before now, but
Don't do am. Na why I feel say e suppose dey very easy to understand. Okay, then what we do now? So this is it. I'm not going to finish this thing for you, so I'll leave it for you to figure out. I'm going to finish it now on this call. So
wait,
whether you Google,
listen,
so that way
this
you Google.
this thing where they talk, so they you try to make a I know they hear what you they talk.
You don't hear anything now.
Okay, they hear
How
me.
about yes, I did. Show you the hear now.
Okay, they hear now.
So this is what we do on this call now. I'm going to clean all this thing. So I'm going to give you this. Let me see the student results. Go back to the student results. Let me see what's there.
The screen.
Student results, fine. Let me see. No, no, not this one, not this one. The second one.
This one.
Yes. So you understand this one, right?
Yeah, I understand this one will define our calculate grade to be. This is our function, calculate grade.
Anytime we call it, what will it do?
Anytime we call it here, like
Anywhere we call it, as long as we pass the parameter it wants, the only thing we'll be doing is calculating the grade. You
uh,
understand?
I don't know why this network they do. I don't know what to do.
That's okay. Like now, like, because I just had like a meeting on pilot, and it was good.
Sure, still on my side.
I don't know if but I used
But
to
you
like
they, I
see
know say you they hear me clearly. Now your network be like see the
but and this yeah they use now this time for it. I mean like
I've been may I change this my stuff to speaker. May I see whether
I just say your stuff battery not dey like
okay talk may I hear you.
shade the area is
Okay, I did hear you now.
yeah so I'm trying to figure out because this thing I see the funny thing is this thing if I say you do it but then I've explained this thing to you over and over again you don't do am tey and again you did it recently I'm coming. Okay, so now let's do something. Okay, so forget this contact manager everything. Let's do something that you've done before. That I know that yes, you should be able to do it. It's very simple. Are you with me?
Yes.
So I'm going to do a simple to-do list. You remember it?
To do list. I think we did one to do list some time ago.
Yes. So can you do it?
That means I have to go and look. I have to go back
See
and
this.
look.
Let me do something. Let me do something. You know the funny thing about me too. When we said they learn this thing, right? I
Mm,
know they you know they easy for me to remember everything, right? But then I understood something that person no fit sabi everything. When no be saying that me create the language, but as
yeah.
long say I understand wetin I want to write, I can
Yeah.
always Google what I want. Do you get?
Okay. Yes.
So now I understand. Okay, so I said you should work on a to-do list, right?
Mm,
So your head was not okay, a to-do list. I go need somewhere where we say I go store the list of everything where I want, right? That means I need something like a list,
yes.
like that, and that's where a list come in. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
So I go first create empty list. Okay, so
The one
choose
more. What, see, there's one project where we do uh names of was it rice, banana, and all those stuff. Abi, and the same thing now.
market, something similar to that.
Uh-huh.
So I think what we'll do is okay. So you watch me do it. Do you get?
Okay.
Then I'll leave you to figure it out by yourself. What
Okay.
do you think about that one?
Okay. Just okay. Do it. Let me see. Maybe as
Alright.
you are doing it, just be explaining. Maybe
Yes,
I
I
will.
will.
Yeah, I will catch up something from there.
So okay, let me create a new file. So this is let's see. Okay, so let me create a new folder. Mhm. So nice one.
Okay. It's like looking at this thing, eh? I dey understand this concept now. I dey, may I explain something to you?
Yes,
Okay. You dey see my you dey see my screen?
yes,
You dey see my screen?
I say, still
Okay,
him.
okay. May I explain all these things if it is
Okay,
correct, like what I understand.
okay,
Like this first line, this is just our contact list, which is empty.
yes,
Then we define our contact, which like add contacts. This is our function. It's also
yes,
empty. Then we say name equals to enter, like input enter name. Then phone number, enter your phone number. Email, enter your email. These are the things that the person will input that will communicate with the user.
yes.
Now, this contact will now create this as our dictionary. Like this contact is equals to like name, which is this name, will bear the person's name.
Mhm,
Then the phone number will bear the person's phone number. The
mhm,
email will bear the person's email.
mhm,
Then that one ends here. Now we said contact list, which is this contact list now. Contact list dot append. And you said append is to collect new items that match that add to this contact.
it's going to
Then
add new item to the list we
to
get.
the list, yes. Then we can say print contact successfully saved. That is
Yes,
the whole thing end here. Now, if it
exactly.
is like this while true come in because it's a kind of a loop that will always be collecting and collecting and collecting.
So whenever you enter one, maybe say you go
Yes,
just stop,
you go,
you go start all
yes,
over again.
all over again. So now this print one is add contact. This add contact is what is going to print. Like it's going to ask you add contact. Then this choice, now we now make this choice like a variable. Abi?
You know, say so now. You know, say we did like it's like okay. You know this. You don't see USSD before, right?
Yes.
And USSD they go give you like options, option
Option
one,
let's
two,
say
three,
one,
four,
two,
five.
three. Yes.
You will go enter your option, and
Yes.
depending on your option, you go see the next like next response, right?
Yes.
Now so wait now wait to do here with that. So
The
we
only
show
place
them
where it
list.
confused me before, where confused me before, I thought we'll be saying like choice equals to option one, then it will give you enter name. If choice is equals to option two, it will give you enter phone number.
No
So,
wait we do with that. Wait till we
so
say for that option one, it go collect all the details.
all the details here,
Yeah, because waiting for inside one function, so we go just call the
contact.
function straight.
Yes, yes, I understand that.
So
I
for
understand
option two,
that.
we can say remove contact.
Yes. Okay, yeah. Now maybe we now say like
Choice
if
two.
choice,
No, no be
if
for there.
choice
No be there. No, you know, no be if you call use again. Maybe the second one.
okay, four.
No. After if, we get another one called elif.
LS, Elif, Abi.
Exactly, yes.
Okay.
So
So,
now after contact you go dey, but you go dey the same line with if.
okay. I don't understand that now. So, this means that this place now
Uh,
collection of all these inputs.
code wey we write. So that add contact function na like the function wey we create from line 2 to 12.
Like, yeah, that is
Na
this. That's this.
so you know why we get function now. You know say normally na if we wan do am the way we dey do am from that line 3 to line 12 e go dey where that line 18 instead of wetin we write for there.
Yes. This one no come dey again.
That line 18 na wetin we write there no go come dey again na
From
the code
14,
gangan go dey.
yeah, 14 to 17, no come dey again.
E go dey that 14. The reason why 14 dey na say anytime we add contact make e no stop, make e continue. Na why that one go dey. E dey
Yeah,
always dey if you wan make it.
e
You know sir, you know shebi
continue.
no be today we just dey put am now.
Yes, 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 yes.
The
I
reason for
understand.
am if you comot am now e go work o, but immediately you enter one
You don
finish e go
finish.
stop,
E no go
e
ask
go
you for
stop.
another one
E no
again.
go move on to the next one again.
Yeah. Yeah, I understand that now.
So now okay let me work on this to do list. You look at it, pay at ten tion, ask question if you need to ask question, because
Okay.
that's the last time we're doing something on terminal, and now it's now for you to do it again, recreate whatever I do, then you like So then we'll move on from there. Then in our next class, we're going to focus. We are moving on away from this terminal stuff and moving on to web, like building web with Python. Then after that, then we can move to other like DevOps lifecycle. Yeah. So first off, you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So now I want to do a to-do list that stores all the tasks where I want to. Right. So now first off, I will create a list of all the tasks where I want to, right? So basically wetin to do dey do be say to do dey always store the list of tasks wey person wan do, maybe like in a day. Do you get?
Yes.
So now tasks. So I have a list of tasks. So at first it is always what? Empty, because I never get list of tasks wey I wan put at the beginning. Do you get?
Mm-hmm.
Na why we dey always get empty list. If it's contact too, contact go dey empty because at first I never get contact wey I wan add. That's one. You dey with me, right?
Yeah, I just see. I did with you.
So now I wan do something say so I wan make it say whenever, let me on myself also. Come on. How you say